Brayden, and I'm on the varsity football team.
How long have you played football?
I played football since 8th grade.
What are you most excited for this season?
Our next game, which is a bowl game.
What is your favorite part about playing this sport and or being on this team?
Just being around my friends and the team.
What do you do to prepare for a game?
I watch film and practice throughout the week.
What has been your greatest accomplishment this season?
I'd say winning Connolly, or not winning Connolly Cup, but being nominated for Connolly Cup twice.
What is your jersey number?
I wear number 4.
Hi, my name's Marissa Brege, and I'm the goalie on the varsity field. The best part of our season was definitely winning the league championship and the section championship for about 4 consecutive years.
What was it like being the Super 7 Athlete of the Week?
It was definitely a great honor. I hadn't known about it until Coach got the phone call, so it was a great honor, and I appreciate all my teammates for helping me get there.
What are you most excited about next year, or what's your goal for your senior season?
Hopefully we can win our league and our section again and get back to states.
What is your favorite part about being on the team?
I think we're all very close. We're all friends, so we like to do activities outside of field hockey as well and hanging out with each other for the full season.